In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your bank feed in Xero. Whether you're reorganizing your finances, changing bank accounts, or simply don't need a bank feed anymore, disconnecting it in Xero is a straightforward process when you follow these steps. Let's dive right in and get your bank feed disconnected safely and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to access your Xero account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to the Xero website. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on this login button to proceed to the next step. When you reach the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and type in your account credentials carefully to ensure you don't encounter any login issues. After entering your information, look for the login button, often situated just below the password field, and click on it. If your credentials are correct, you'll be granted access to your Xero dashboard. This is where the real work starts. Once you're logged in and can see your dashboard, it's time to navigate to the particular section where bank feeds are managed. You can get there by selecting the accounting menu from your dashboard. If you're having trouble locating it, it's generally found on the top navigation bar of your Xero interface. Within the accounting menu, you'll want to find and click on the chart of accounts option. The chart of accounts holds all the financial accounts for a company, including the bank accounts connected to Xero via bank feeds. Clicking on chart of accounts will take you to a list of all the accounts you've set up in Xero. In the chart of accounts, take a moment to identify the bank account or accounts for which you want to disconnect the bank feed. Each account should have a checkbox next to it. And when you find the one you wish to disconnect, click its corresponding checkbox to select it. This step is crucial because it ensures you're only modifying the account you intend to. After selecting the correct account, look for the delete option. The delete button is usually visible at the top or bottom of the chart of accounts page. This action doesn't delete your account, but rather disconnects the bank feed from Xero. So don't worry about losing your financial data. Click on delete to initiate the disconnection process. Upon clicking delete, a confirmation pop-up window will appear. This is a standard safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions or disconnections. Review the information in the pop-up window to ensure you're disconnecting the correct bank feed, then click on OK to confirm your action. Congratulations! You've successfully disconnected your bank feed in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but I recommend reviewing your chart of accounts after completing these steps to ensure the disconnection was processed correctly. If you need to reconnect or add a new bank feed in the future, remember that the process is just as simple, and you can always refer back to these instructions or the Xero Help Center for guidance. A few tips before we conclude. Always ensure that your financial transactions are up to date before disconnecting a bank feed. This will help avoid potential discrepancies in your accounts. Also, consider notifying your team or accountant about this change, especially if they manage or rely on real-time financial data from Xero for reporting or decision-making purposes. There you have it. Disconnecting a bank feed in Xero doesn't have to be daunting. With these steps, you can manage your bank connections easily and keep your financial data tailored to your current needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out with any questions or tips you'd like to see in future tutorials. Happy accounting!